Welcome to a new era in poultry farming experience. At Incapta Private Limited, we are not just suppliers. We are your dedicated partners in success. Are you ready to elevate your operations? Introducing our state-of-the-art poultry house systems, from precision-engineered pen feeders that promote efficient feeding to advanced cooling pads that ensure optimal temperature control, and powerful exhaust fans that enhance air circulation in fowl runs. Every second counts in poultry production, and with our innovative nipple drinker systems, we guarantee your birds stay hydrated and healthy, ensuring maximum growth and productivity. With years of technical experience in poultry installations, we have meticulously designed each component of our systems to enhance performance and reliability. Our team of experts understands the unique challenges that you face, and we are here to tailor solutions that fit your specific needs. But that is not all. Our commitment to our clients go beyond installations. We pride ourselves on building lasting relationships, ensuring that you're never left in the dark. Our after-sales services are top-notch because your success is our success. Whether you need maintenance support, troubleshooting, operational guidance, we are just a call away, ready to equip you with expertise you deserve. Imagine a poultry house where every aspect works in harmony, where the efficiency meets the expertise, where your vision for your success becomes a reality. With Incapta Private Limited, that dream is achievable. So take a leap, join our countless satisfied clients who have transformed their operations and reached new heights in poultry production and profitability. It's time to embrace the future of poultry farming with confidence. Choose Incapta Private Limited for the ultimate installation of poultry house pen feeders, cooling pads, exhaust fans, and nipple drinker systems. Your prosperous poultry operation starts here.